Okay, here's the completed stringer, and this is going to be the left side stringer. We are going to have to lay another one out exactly like it, but it's going to have to be on the opposite side for the other side of the stairway. So I went ahead and I cut the bottom. I marked the bottom. The bottom is, to figure the bottom distance here, you just need to come down your riser height. This is the top of the tread. 7.5 inches from here to here. In this point here, this is going to be the end of the tread right here. Let me get the sample here. This would be the edge of the tread. And again, if you got to be able to rotate this around in your mind here. So the bottom of the stringer would come down like this. And again, you can adjust this as you feel fit. If you need to make it a little smaller, however your handrail is going to work. I like to come right off of this point right here. It keeps everything in proportion here. Again, you can do what you want there. And then when we come up to the top, I usually go from my point here, which this point is the same all the way down, 2 3/4, 2 3/4, 2 3/4, with an 11 1/4 inch tread and an 11 1/4 inch stringer. Now the top mark here, to get this measurement here, we need to get our 2 3/4 and then go the width of our tread, which is 11 1/4. That'll give us this mark here. And then to have our stair treads work out properly, on the top of the landing, we will have this overhang a little bit. That way, that'll give us a 10-inch tread all the way down, and I'll explain that later, hopefully, if I remember to. So either way, you'll see it on the completed set of stairs what I'm talking about. So again, this right here, this line is important, and this is going to be determined on where you butt the stair stringer up against the deck, ledger, wall, wherever you're going to be supporting it by. And this measurement here, again, I just keep this in proportion with the one at the bottom, but you can just continue this cut all the way up if you want to, depending upon how you're going to finish the edge of the stairway out. So a lot of times the top and the bottom of a stairway like this is going to be determined where you line these cuts up here by the type of hand railing or trim you're going to be using.